So we just got back from Vegas. If you didn't see that video, check it out on the link below. But here's some things that didn't make the original video.
Okay. Oh God. This is no way.
So we just kind of did our review of the Ferrari and the Lamborghini we got to drive this weekend. So let's go ahead and take it for a drive and see how it feels.
So, right.
So like I was saying before, the car definitely has a lot more legroom than the Lamborghini does. It feels really, really well.
This is crazy.
I can't say it enough how much this car really could be a daily driver for me.
The only thing I've ever done that comes as close to this is like playing with Hot Wheels when I was a kid.
I don't have a whole lot of feedback from the car that's negative.
This is like a Hot Wheels car that blew up. Like, you seen Honey, I Blew Up the Kid? This is like Honey, I Blew Up My Hot Wheels car.
I'm in race mode right now, and if I'm, you know, kind of, quotes, lightly on the throttle, feathering the throttle, daily driving the throttle, it's not obnoxiously loud.
Pretty cool. I've never seen a Ferrari or a Lamborghini up close in my entire life before. And now we're cruising in them, and I'm driving one of them down the street. That's nuts.
So, in that, I mean, for me personally, so when I buy these cars, which I've got some at home, I'm looking for, you know, how can I enjoy this car the most that I can and get my money's worth out of it?
My experience with Vegas is one night in a hotel room that smells like cigarettes and leaving having lost like $200. But looks like Royal Rides does Vegas a little bit differently than Aaron is used to.
So this definitely is a must for me. Acceleration is great. The steering is tight.
To be honest, like, I'm not really much of a car guy, but it feels pretty cool. It feels pretty cool driving a Lamborghini through Vegas, down the Vegas Strip.
I think there is a little bit, when you want to get on the throttle, there is a little bit of a lag in the acceleration versus the Lamborghini.
I didn't think I'd ever drive a Lamborghini, so this is definitely once in a lifetime as far as I'm concerned. A lot of traffic though. All these horses and no room to gallop.
Lamborghini is a little bit more quick on the throttle response, but the people who are driving these on the streets just enjoying the experience of the beautifully engineered vehicle. That's not going to be a big deal, right?
It's funny, like every couple of feet somebody's taking a picture of you as you drive by. I think that's really part of the experience of driving one of these cars too. You know, and obviously there's the speed and the power, and then there's for the guys like me, it's just cool to, you know, be in a car that's so universally recognized. It's certainly a cool feeling, that's for sure.
I also happen to like the setup of the steering wheel. It almost reminds me of what the 2020 Corvette is gonna be like. I have pre-ordered one. I have one coming, and it's got these flat spots, which when I grab the top of my wheel, I don't know, I feel like I can grab with both hands, and I have a lot more control.
The lady sticking her thumb out wanting to hitchhike, wanting a ride. That's funny.
You know, it's definitely, for me, I think, probably a must-have.
Welcome to fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. Well, that was fun.
So that's all you're going to get from the Vegas trip, because some of the things that happen in Vegas need to stay in Vegas. So if you like it, smash that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for a lot more.